Astig, maporma at magagara ang nasa 200 sports cars na ibinida sa Taguig City nitong linggo. Pero hindi ito racing event, kundi isang fundraiser para sa daan-daang estudyante sa Silang Cavite. Nagpapatrol, Paige Javier.
Napuno ng magagarang sports car ang bahagi ng 27th Avenue at 4th Street sa Bonifacio Global City nitong linggo. Old meets new ang theme dahil may mga classic cars habang may modern at electric vehicles din. Busog ang mga mata ng car enthusiasts dahil sa pangmalakasang mga sasakyan. Pati mga pamilya masayang nagpicture katabi ng magagarang kotse. Pero hindi lang pang-display ang mga sports car na ito, kundi para sa magandang layunin na makalikom ng pondo at suporta para sa kabataan.
This is originally targeted for our Sisters of Mary automotive scholars, but we've expanded it. We're going to put a lot of the funds that we are going to a school, new school building. We call it the Digital Transformation Building. And the Digital Transformation Building is going to be done and prepared for students that want to learn something on the digital skills. It's called upskilling.
Nasa 300 estudyante na ang natulungan ng event. Karamihan ay mula sa mahihirap na pamilya.
Every time that our students would see that building being constructed, it serves like an inspiration for them to stay, and they wish that sana we will have chance of studying there.
They are coming from the poorest of the poor. When they will graduate from the Sisters of Mary, most of them are the breadwinner of their family.
Present din sa event ang car enthusiast, racer at negosyanteng si Angie Meet King.
I like the event because it's for a cause. We're sending students to learn more about automotive and mechanical engineering, which is part of the industry that I really love. And hopefully the technology that they learn from Germany can come back to the Philippines and improve our industry and economy.
Target ng organizers ng Sports Cars for a Cause na palawakin ang event para mas maraming estudyante ang mabigyan ng scholarship. At dahil dumarami na nga ang mga sports car enthusiasts dito sa bansa, umaasa sila na mas marami ang mahikayat na magbigay ng tulong sa susunod na taon. Paige Javier, ABS-CBN News.